Say it's Tesla's the best. Tesla's the best by a mile. So here's your stop loss, right? We said that first profit target, maybe like that 193 area. Kind of there-ish. So you're getting a pretty decent pullback already. Take a look at this, start sizing things up. Gonna ignore AMD for now. Watching Tesla. So really nice BV reversal here on Tesla. But this trade broke my brain a little bit. I think it was just a little bit distracted. You guys will see in a sec. Really great trade, but I was a little bit distracted here. Let's see if we can get like maybe a little bit of an overreaction flush here inside the zone. Like maybe an entry around this area. I'm getting 2-to-1 there. If I get me even tighter than that, might be better. So I'm waiting for my perfect risk reward here. I don't have that information yet, so I can't rush my entry. I'm absolutely interested here, guys. Absolutely interested. I'm already getting 2-to-1 risk reward. I'm just trying to be picky here. Okay, right. There's that possible overreaction flush. Even get a bit more. Still haven't really seen that tennis ball yet. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna look to get the next one here, pretty much. All right, guys, I am in. Average price 225.32. 225.32. I was just watching too many different things here. I was watching Nvidia's price on one screen and trying to execute Tesla on the other. So I called out the Nvidia price. Apologies for that. But for whatever reason, got a little bit too distracted by the other price action here this morning. Maybe it's a reason to maybe look at less charts on my screens. Watching this thing back, it doesn't feel like I got the perfect entry here. Like I got a pretty good one, but I think I could have maybe just been a little bit pickier because I didn't get that immediate like bounce back higher right away. It kind of got stuck at my spot. Okay, see if this thing can go. Not a bad entry, not a bad entry at all. So let's see if this thing can rip higher immediately here. I think that tennis ball bounce back there was probably the perfect entry on that play instead of the one that I actually entered in on. So I probably could have saved myself an extra 50 cents here or so. Oh, fuck. One sec here, guys. One sec. I have no idea what price I referenced. Not sure why it says 235.32. That's incorrect. Apologies for that, everyone. So average price 186.20. Apologies. Okay, gonna look to take some off here in a second, right? If I can keep getting a little bit further follow through, almost buck a share here. I feel bad about how I called that out. That was a bit weird. I'm gonna close some here, guys. Closing some here. Trying to get a fill at 71.87.70. Missed it. I think I must have quoted the Nvidia price by accident, so apologies for that. Just looking at it on a different chart. Man, I'm a mess. I'm sorry. Average price 187.20. So yeah, just very distracted on this trade for whatever reason here this morning, right? Quoted the wrong price, wrote out the wrong price. I don't know. I think just too many distractions. Maybe didn't get a good night's sleep. Not very happy with that. Just weird operational stuff on this play. Made me a bit nervous for holding this. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on with this trade. There have been some, I don't know. We'll call them technical issues on my end. Okay, see if this thing can give me some follow through here. Missed that first take profit by like 5 cents. Would like to see if this thing can kind of rip higher here, kind of immediately. But good stop loss location. Okay, couldn't get a chance here. There we go. Got a fill. 187.80. 187.80 fill. So now let's see if this thing can kind of keep going. I closed half my position there, guys, because I'm not liking all the little fuck ups I've had. Essentially called out the wrong price, filled in the wrong price. I'm a mess on this, so I'm not going to be very aggressive here. But we're doing pretty well, right? So next profit target's going to be a little bit more off at that, we'll call it 189 barrier, right? Which is right now. It's taking off a little bit here. There we go. Locked in a little bit of profit. So kind of felt a bit nervy in this trade, right? So took off more, a bit faster than I normally would have. But just a few things were kind of bugging me a little bit. So I didn't want to be full port, full risk here. That was a mess. Apologies, guys. Apologies. But yeah, great little rips. Let's see if this thing can keep going here. Like I said, I have about 2/5 of my original position here left. Taking off a good chunk there at that 187.70. I actually got to fill 187.85. And then took a good chunk off there at that 189. So now see if I can get kind of more continuation follow through. But I got no reason to really stress or rush on this. Pretty tidy little win. Really messy process, though, on this. I apologize for that. Stop loss on my remainder is going to be 187.20. I think I actually said the number correct for a change here. And let's see if this thing can keep going. But great little rip, everybody. Great little rip. Apologies, Brad. Apologies, Brad. This one's on me, guys. I made this as confusing as it could have possibly been. So let's see if this thing can keep giving us a bit of follow through. Pretty good already, right? About $1 a share here so far. Let's see if I can get more, right? If I can get a bit more oomph, get back up above sort of that 190 barrier. That'll probably be my next profit target if I can get it. That'd sort of be the area that I'm targeting. And then see if I can get real big follow through into that gap. But really tidy win here, right? Like I said, messy process. I really apologize for that, guys. Was looking at Nvidia on one screen, called out that price. Apologies. Traded Tesla on another. Just a mess. So I'm really sorry for the confusion. Yeah, not sure if that's ever happened before, so sorry about that. We'll see if something else can set up here. But yeah, really good start to the day here, right? Next take profit target on my remainder is going to be at like 190. And I'm going to close about half of what I have left at that area and then basically let the remainder run. So that's really what I have left here. Profit target I got set for 190. And let's see if this thing can kind of keep going. But really, really tidy trade. So yeah, apologies for the confusion. Should be taking some off here in a second. We got close again. So now the main objective is just basically keep taking some profit off on the way up, right? Trying to get a fill at 190, seeing how much I can hold this thing. Like 3 cents. Kind of a piss take. So, I mean, look, this is why I draw out the lines on the screen, guys, right? Sometimes I'm going to make mistakes. Sometimes I'm going to have typos, but hopefully the lines never lie. Line 187.27, entry 187.20. So, pretty much did what I said I was going to do. I said I did what I showed, didn't say what I did, if that makes sense. So, I'm sorry. Still going to look to take a bit more off here if I can get it at that 190 barrier. Maybe a little bit of a fake out here now. Let's keep an eye on the rest of the indexes. All right, still. Well, what was the price I called out for NVIDIA? Deleted it from the Discord. Wonder if that would be green now. So let's see if Tesla has the legs here. But we're in great shape. I don't really see any issues with this trade right now. Pretty textbook move. I just confused it for everyone. So again, next take profit target here is 190. Actually going to push my stop loss a little bit higher. I'm going to go protect the buck a share. Pretty nice win, right? So why do anything dumber than that? So protecting that. If I can get it, I can get it. No problems if I can't. But indexes maybe aren't cooperating as much as I would have liked, right? Which is slowing me, I think probably slowing down that 190 breakout here to a certain extent. So already got, you know, almost $2 a share, a little bit over $2 a share. I don't need to be hyper aggressive here. I basically want to make sure I'm not giving anything up versus trying to squeeze out as much as I possibly can. I'd rather, yeah, get the most out of myself versus get the most out of the play. Kind of one of those cliches, but is what it is. There we go. Got some off there at that 190. Wow, I'm surprised I got a fill. So awesome, right? Now stop loss on my remainder is going to be still 188.20. Sick trade, everybody. Sick trade. Let's go. Now let's see if we can get basically lucky and get mega follow through here. Yeah, I don't use extended hours trading or extended hours levels, whatever it is on these mega caps. I don't see the value in it. The volume that we get it open is like 10 times what we see over extended hours, so no real reason for me to use them. The day off, guys. Great win. even keep getting a bit more juice. But yeah, no real complaints here to start the day off. Everyone understand the thesis behind this trade? Yeah, I'm gonna take that as a yes. All right, so now index is making higher highs. Let's see if Tesla can catch up and rip up this charge, right? Pretty big gap that's still looking to fill into. So really, really strong. I don't think so, Jesus. I don't think so. Not on my end. I hope not. Okay, so let's see. I don't think I have any internet issues, Jesus. Yeah, I'm back to live. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have any issues on my YouTube like app. So maybe you have some internet connectivity issues on your end. But seems to be everything seems to be working fine from my perspective. Okay, so next profit target for me is going to be like 191.20. Let's just start kind of fill it in. Move every buck a share if I can get it. And we'll see if we can keep going. But great little move here. Great little rip. Been a really strong week, guys. 3 for 3 on the week here, right? Every trade's been a winner. That's a lot of fun. So let's see if we can keep that momentum, right? Just being super picky, only taking the best quality setups, and we're doing really well, right? So if we compromise, we don't make money, but taking 3 trades here this week, had 2 days of non-action, but 3 great wins. So I got no reason to want to overtrade on slow days or on days where conditions don't suit my style. I got to be gosh darn picky, right? That's the that's how it works. So we got to be really, really picky, right? Really disciplined, not force any decisions. And then we get paid. This is a big move. Yeah, 50% for the options players. That's a great rip, right? And it was a trade pretty much green on right away. I know, I apologize again for the confusion. I know that's on me. That was bad. But well done, everybody. Well done for catching these plays. Great start to the session. See if we can keep getting a bit more follow through, right? Next take profit target is like 20 cents away. So if I can get it, got a just already set up and ready to go. So if I can get a fill, awesome. If I can't, no worries. But yeah, I mean, look, guys, great little week here, right? 3 wins, 3 trades, all winners, all decent size. I'll take that all day long, right? I'd rather be really patient and disciplined and profitable than forcing decisions. I know it's a little bit of a victory lap for me now, right? I don't want to be too bloat too much, but yesterday was such a frustrating day with such frustrating conditions, and I wanted to break my rules so bad that it feels so good to be rewarded with a disciplined trade, a disciplined play, a textbook play. There we go. Took a bit more profit off there at that 191.20. Stop loss now in my remainder. I'll call it 190. And I have like a pretty small chunk left. So I'm pretty stoked on this. This has been an epic trade. Let's go, everybody. Best job in the world. So I have about 1/10 of my position here left. Basically taken off a bunch. $4 from my entry price. I have 0 complaints. No need to be greedy here. Been a mega win. About 8R. So fantastic play. Maybe we can hit that 193 here. Well, the thesis, right, was, okay, big gap down, but on kind of a weak candle on weak volume. So we're being told that there's an opportunity for bulls to sort of reclaim control, right? Opening candle was way bigger volume than anything we've seen last couple days. Strong candle shape, and then we basically got to pull back into our risk reward kill zone. So we're just using Bollinger Bands as a estimation on a possible reversal, but it's the opening candle, opening volume combo that told us that bulls are back in control. So it's looking for a bounce relief play after such a big gap down, and that's exactly what happened here this morning. Then we entered, right, when we saw that weak bears, which is that inside bar, right? Nice little pullback, stop loss, low of day, textbook trade. Let's go, Jesus. Let's go. Yeah, this thing's got a lot of potential still, right? Like, look at this breakout candle. It's on volume. So I think this has probably still got a little bit of juice up. Maybe we can hit that 193 we talked about. Been a while since we caught even like a $3 move on something. So feels good, guys. Feels good. I might have jinxed it. Stop loss at 190. So with my stop loss here, I kind of feel like I maybe should have kept it still at that 187.20 along the way. Without dealing with that time decaying shares, I should be a little bit greedier in how I manage that. So I'm being a change I make going forward. We'll evaluate that for the next few weeks. Everything else is starting to puke a little bit, right? Which is making me I hate playing outliers, but I'm risk free at this point, right? I don't have too much I can give away. I've got 100 shares left, so my sizing here is just pure like lotto, but what a win. Great little trade, guys. Sounds good, Jesus. Have yourself a great day, man. Efficient session today. Efficient session. All right, should get stopped out here in a second. Apple's making lower lows. There we go. Got stopped out, protecting at 190. Great rip, guys. I maybe left a few bucks on the table there, but I will take it.